Here's my latest project. It's a Lionel 1688 torpedo type locomotive. Dan Burgess challenged me to put a Marx motor in it. Dan even provided the shell for me. So here's where I'm at right now. It's got a 1666 smoker motor in it. So one of the first things I did was I realized that the smokestack on the original shell was too close to the edge. So I filled that in with jbweld steel stick, and I moved it back. I just set the little silver ring in there loosely for now. I don't want to push it down in because then I'd have to pry it back out. But I just set it back a little bit and drilled a new hole. I also, for the sides, I made some little side braces, and then I used jbweld to fill this area in, and then I'll smooth that out, and I'll try to match the lines that Lionel did. I have Lionel pilot trucks and rear trucks from a 242, probably from a Silver Star set. And I just repaired a Santa Fe Sound of Power tender, so we've got that hooked up to a Christmas train, and we'll take it for a spin. Oh, I also have a Lionel smoke unit, smoke element in the Marx smoke unit, and it smokes pretty good, so you can check it out. Okay, great. Looks like everything runs smoothly. I didn't see any derailing. So next we'll get an idea for a paint scheme. I'll get everything smoothed out. I'll also add a 19-volt LED for the headlight. Probably use a Mark C7 lens in there. I'll get the two new marker lights for it. And we'll take it for another spin again. And I'll keep you posted. And until then, God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord.